Yes, thank you very much, Anna. Today, definitely the calm after the storm, but there is more rain to come, particularly across Wales. But more on that in a moment. Let's enjoy today's fine weather. It really has been a glorious day so far in London. The sky's rather hazy at the moment, but it will stay fine here through the rest of today, as indeed it should do in Newcastle as well. Again, some hazy sunshine. It's not completely fine everywhere. We have got a fair few showers across Scotland, particularly in the north and in the west, drifting down to Northern Ireland and northwest England too. And if we take a leap to the opposite end of the country, the cloud has also been steadily increasing in Plymouth as we've been through the course of the day. You can see here sunshine again, rather hazy, and that's all tied in with a system out in the Atlantic which will give us another spell of wet and windy weather. Now you can see it here quite clearly on the satellite picture. Now the winds are not going to be anything like as strong as they were yesterday, but that rain could be a problem. Certainly it'll turn quite damp across the south of Ireland through the rest of today. Fairly grey in that southwestern corner. The showers continuing across western Scotland, Northern Ireland, northwest England too. But for many central and eastern parts of England, Wales and Scotland, it will stay fine with some hazy sunshine. And that's the way we need to keep it as well. Because of all the rain at the weekend, the flooding situation has been getting worse. But today the flood warnings have been dropping because of the dry weather. We've got 9 in force at the moment across England and Wales. There's the floodline number if you are worried, 08459 988 1188. You might want to take a note of it because we do have more rain on the way. That cloud in the southwest will spread that rain up across the southwest through this evening, patchy at first, but then becoming much more extensive across Wales and Northern Ireland by the end of the night. Now that rain is going to hang around across Wales through tomorrow, and as I said, that could give us some problems. The ground is already pretty soggy, and with a further 60 millimetres of rain, that could give us some further flooding problems, as I said. Much of England and Wales fairly grey to start tomorrow. The heaviest rain across Wales, pushing in through to the Midlands and getting into East Anglia and Lincolnshire by the end of the day. Further north, bright spells, just 1 or 2 showers, and that brighter weather eventually easing down into southern Scotland and Northern Ireland as well. Along the south, well, we'll keep a lot of cloud, but the rain here I shouldn't think will be too heavy. It will again be fairly windy, but as I said, those winds nothing like what we saw yesterday. Temperature-wise, well, similar to today's, 11 to 13 degrees Celsius. And then into Wednesday, many places fine and bright. We'll have more cloud in the south, 1 or 2 spots of rain, and we'll keep a fair few showers in the north, all because of high pressure, the fine weather, but it doesn't last. Weather fronts moving north, bringing more wet weather by the end of the week.